Hello friends, latest information of IGNOU regarding admission for the session January 2024. For this purpose, we have to visit IGNOU official website, that is www.ignou.ac.in. After opening of IGNOU official web page, a link is available for admission, that is fresh admission for all programs offered in ODL/online mode for the January 2024 session. Click here. Then two links is available. One is for distance program, another one is for online program. So we have to choose first one, that is fresh admission for January 2024 session for distance program. Then click here for new registration. Read important instructions carefully. Then fill up the student registration form. First enter username, then give the applicant's full name as per educational documents, then applicant's email address, re-enter applicant's email address, give the password minimum 6 characters. Password and re-enter password must be same. Then give the mobile number, re-enter mobile number again, then give CAPTCHA for verification. Then click here register button. Let's see, our account is created successfully. Please log in and apply in program. Then give the registered username, then give the password, type the CAPTCHA, then click on login button. Read the important instruction carefully before fill up the forms. Click on tick box, then click on submit button. First, fill up the personal details of applicant, age for educational documents, full name, next mother name, this data is given for demo purpose only. You have to fill up the form age for educational documents. Then give the guardian details, then date of birth, then gender, select the gender, and category. Then fill up the area. Minority, two option is available, yes or no. I have to choose no. Religion, marital status, social status, then choose whether person with disability applicable, yes or no. I have to choose no option. Employment status, unemployed. For service holder, we have to choose employed. For IGNOU employee, we have to choose B2. For IGNOU regular employee, or D4 for KVS employee. Then click on submit button. After fill up the personal details carefully, then click on next button. Then we have to choose program details. There are 5 types of program. First one is bachelor, second one is certificate, third one is diploma, fourth one is master, fifth one is postgraduate diploma. I have to choose bachelor program. Mode of study, ODL. Then select program for enrollment. After choose the program, then select region code for admission. For example, Angul. Regional code is 89. Then choose program study center code. That is 21116 Devgad College, Devgad. Then select medium as English. Are you already student of IGNOU for other program? If yes, give the details. If no, click on no option. After fill up the data carefully, click on submit button. Then click on next button. Then we have to give the qualification details. Give the year of passing. division, percentage of marks, board code. For an example, 2101 CHSC Council of Higher Secondary Education Odisha. Then give the roll number. Give the exact roll number reflected on mark sheet. Then click on submit button. After fill up the data of qualification details, click on next button. Then we have to choose course code for both semester, such as semester 1, semester 2. Choose the course code for semester 1, then choose for second semester. Then click on submit button. Then click on next button. Give the complete address give the pin code. After fill up the details data, click on submit button. Then click on next button. Now we have to upload our documents such as photo, signature, educational qualification certificates. For photo, we have to generate the formats or accepted formats each .jpg or .jpeg. Minimum file size is 10 KB, maximum is 100 KB. Like same thing in signature. Then educational qualification certificates such as matriculation, +2 and others. Here accepted formats is .jpg or .jpeg or PDF format. Minimum file size is 10 KB, maximum file size is 200 KB. After upload all the documents, we have to choose next option. Then in 7 number columns, preview option is available. after checking all the data of application, then we have to give payment for admission. Payment amount is available or displayed in the form. This is the complete information for the admission process. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you.